Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. 1 second here. Maybe I should turn this down. No, maybe not off, but just down. All right, so yeah, let's go over today. Let's see what we got here. So I'm watching IWM for a potential little push-up if we can get some sort of close here. But yeah, 1 second here. I gotta pull up the other chats, and yes, we will go over what ended up happening today and what's still happening. So yeah, just give me 1 second here. I gotta pull up the other chats, and then yeah, we'll get started. So yeah, what a great day so far. Pretty good day, I will say. So give me a second here. Let's see. All right, cool. All right, I just pulled that up. I'm going to tell the team members we're on live now. So, no close on this yet. All right. So yeah, telling team members we're on live. Give me 1 second here. TikTok live now at everyone. Perfect. All right, so yeah, I didn't get a chance to post what we did today, or also what we're going to do if we can get a couple of these entries. Yo, Toyota guy, good to see you, man. Appreciate you tuning back in. So yeah, obviously, Spy went very wild here. This one was a very beautiful entry. Gave 2 opportunities, but yes, you can see what ended up happening here. Got this clear gap down, no consolidation. And yeah, we ended up getting this nice break going into that first and that final TP. So we did it, twice here? As you can see, yeah, what a beautiful move. This is what I was looking for today. So you can see Spy calls there. This was literally just this morning before market opened. We ended up getting in, and that ended up doing pretty well. And we'll keep going. I will be honest. I'm gonna put an alert here since waiting for that. So I need a close on that. I'm just gonna wait on that little entry there. See if we can get it. Does look really good. What do I think of Tesla and the Qs? All right, so we have. I'm gonna actually keep this one up. I do want to go over Amazon. I'm still waiting on that one. But yeah. I will be honest. Oh man, today's a great day. So we had a few little small swings. LOI did absolutely amazing. It's at that final here, so we'll see if we can hit that. Beautiful trade. Obviously, the other one that I'm holding, we haven't hit our targets yet, so we'll see what happens. But yeah. We'll have to see how everything plays out. Maybe I should send this in the chat. Give me 1 second here, since we're pretty close to this. 1 second. So, ooh, all right. Well, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. So, I'm gonna post this. LOI. Wow, SCI doing pretty good too as well. So yeah, there were a couple swings that I ended up wanting to get in. The only reason why I wanted lottos for this one is because we did end up, so we had the empty space here, and we had this nice POTTERBOX, as you can see. And what I saw is that we ended up punching back into this box here. We ended up holding above this, so I think we might end up ending it right now. So literally almost $1 up. But yeah, we ended up holding above this cost base area. Nice little punch back there, and yeah, wanted to try that to the upside there. We ended up touching that first and final. And you can see the 2 plays, the 2 swings that I wanted. Obviously, yes, I had Nike too, but that didn't work out at all. I'm just going to be completely honest. But you can see I had SMCI. That's what I was waiting for, looking for. And yeah, I took some smalls on these, of course. You can see where we were at. Obviously, SMCI, where we were at too as well. It's doing pretty well. We'll see if we can get up there. But, and you can see LOI. And as we literally just hit that TP. So, hold on, one track. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is crazy. All right, give me a second here. Gonna. All right, hold on, give me 1 second, guys. I gotta post this in the chats here. All right, so give me 1 second. Yo, Kim, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. All right, 1 second here. All right, I'm typing as fast as I can. All right, we'll see if the other one can hit. Lee is Tesla fighting to stay above the 554 area. Yeah, we'll take a look there. So yeah, that's the next thing that I'm seeing. This is on Tesla. Honestly, let's get rid of all this here. So we are right above this wall here, right? If this will. Sorry, I was just looking at this a little earlier. So yeah, we do have this nice box here that I'm seeing that doesn't look too bad. So yeah, over this 554, it looks like we have been struggling to get over it. But as you can see here, so this is basically just the empty space that I had circled. As you can see, yeah, we did have this clear gap down of no consolidation. Looking for that nice clean break. So I get it. Yes, we ended up going above the wall. Ended up flirting back under the wall too as well. So I feel like it will end up happening. It's just the point in when and if we can. So we still need a nice close though. So yeah, give me 1 second here. All right, so that is on there. I do want to see, yeah, if we can end up staying above. We do got that empty space that looks really good. So that is on there. IWM, nothing there yet. So yeah, I gotta wait on that. It still looks really good though. SPI doing really amazing. All right, so PLTR, I do want to go over this. I do want to go over a couple trades. Obviously, I didn't get to post what we did today, but I will post those after my live. But yeah, you can easily see, yeah, clear gap, no consolidation. This is what I'm looking at on PLTR. As you can see, we did end up creating a nice little Potter box here. 1 second here. All right, cool. Yo, what's up? All right, so NVDA. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, today was great. As of right now, clear gap. Yeah, over that 186. That's what I'm seeing there. So Tesla still. I mean, it looks good, but we're just having some trouble though. So we just need to close though. So we shall see how that plays out. LLY, we just hit that final TP, that first and that final TP just today. Wild. So, and you can see these are the two plays I ended up having. Obviously, yeah, I took them small, I'll be honest with you. We had those entries, and this was literally just yesterday. So you can see the before, the aftermath. Still waiting to go a little bit heavier on the other one. We'll have to see though how it looks end of day. But yeah, this went from it went from 269 up to this 803 area. So this morning we were actually inside of this box around this 764 area. End up getting that nice push above. We touched that first and that final TP. It was wild. Also seeing if SMCI can stay up too. So that also looks really good. So we shall see, Yo, what's up? Good to see you. All right, so we'll take a look here. RIBN. All right, so SPY. All right, so we did Tesla. I'm actually gonna leave Tesla up. IWM, I got my alerts there, so I can just leave that. NVDA, we'll take a look here. LOY, final target ended up smacking there. Beautiful trade. So RIVN as well. Okay. Perfect. All right, so as of right now, let's take a look. So it looks like, yeah. Wow, yeah, it looks like we, and I'll be honest, I had this charted up, but I didn't even take this one. But yeah, as you can see here, we did have this empty space. And yes, I am waiting for a couple other trades too as well. But I'll take them on this live stream if we can get them. We shall see. I'm looking for a couple entries. Just maybe one more since we did, you know, pretty well. And then the end of day swings. But yeah, you can see clear gap down. No consolidation. So yeah, we ended up getting a nice break outside this wall. And we touched that first TP. And I'll be honest, I didn't even take this one. I was in, you know, a couple other ones, managing some trades. If we do end up finishing this move, 15-16. And I'm also seeing that, yes, we got another box here. So another top wall here, got another bottom wall there. All that I'm seeing is, yeah, above that 15-30 area, we got empty space up to this 15-70. Hold on, I gotta change this song. I don't like this song there. Alright, so that's what I'm seeing on RIVM, that next little step up. That honestly looks pretty good. So that is on RIVM. That's just what I'm seeing there. Doesn't look too bad. So Tesla still hovering. We do need that close though. So Meta, yeah, we'll take a look. Actually, I'm gonna leave that up. NVDA, we'll take a look at that. So Meta, I will say, so we went over this morning, right? And I'll be honest, I wasn't in this one either. So I had this charted up, right? And there was this empty space under us. Yeah, it was a beautiful move. But no, I didn't take this one. I was gonna in a couple other ones, managing some trades, of course. But anyways, yeah, we broke under. I said if we could stay under and not go back into this box here, yeah, we could have touched that 715, which we did. So we touched that 715 area, and that final is that 701. So looks like we are rejecting under this cost basis that I'm seeing, or this imbalance, sorry. So you're looking for that nice little push down. I was only in, oh dude, fire, man. So yeah, it kind of made sense why, since we had that little gap that we needed to fill to that downside. So yeah, beautiful move. Keep up the great work, man. All right, so that is on Meta, NVDA. Let's take a look here. So, all right, Tesla. Okay. So yeah, one second. So an hour and 7 minutes before to close. It actually looks really good. I just don't know if I want to take it at this second. All right, so I will say, so what, this morning, this was my original box here. We had the empty space under us. So this already happened, what, pre-market. We end up getting this nice break into this imbalance area. Now we end up jumping up. What I can see next is this. So let's get rid of that. Let's go. Yeah, it's just nothing really stopping us to the upside, right? So what I would see, what I would do here is wait for some more structure to form in order for me to try this full thing down to the downside. So maybe we go ahead and build a box here. Hold on, I do want to see if we can get. So Tesla looks really good. All right, so just managing a couple other trades. Got my other charts up on the other screen, so give me a second here. All right, cool. So yeah, we'll keep going. So yeah, we got this nice little box here. AVGO crossing. All right, yeah, 1 second here. All right, let's see if AVGO can give us a nice entry here. 1 second. It looks like Tesla might do it though. That little Tesla play. I think we might go into that chart there. Oh wow, yeah, we're gonna do it. Hold on, give me a second here. But yeah, to go over this NVIDIA, we got this 184 break to that downside. Yeah, it looks like we may do it. Hold on, give me a second here. Yeah, it looks like we might do it. So that will be that 458 area. Looks like it doesn't want to. If it does happen, that 48.19 will be that first TP. But no, I'll be honest, I'm not even in this play. So I was waiting for a close on this since we already did so well. I could have took some starters, but didn't end up taking those yet. So yeah. AVGO though, hold on, let's see. Maybe I'll take some of this if we can get it. AVGO. Maybe if Tesla pulls back, I'll try it. I just checked, NVDA got, oh wow, that's crazy. So yeah, if we do end up doing that, we do got that downside here. That's what I will be aiming for, pretty much. All right, so I do want to see if we'll hit it though. So AVGO is pretty much right there. That looks really good. I'll definitely try that if we can get a nice little close. Tesla, I definitely could chase in that, but it's all good. I think we'll hit it though. So I got my alerts pretty much set if we can. So yeah, that Tesla. So yeah, we already had a couple really great swings, and we had a nice little day trade on that SPY. So not really too worried about it. But yeah, yeah, if it would have closed, it would have been nice. Could have taken it though. All right, so yeah, this was the SPY play that we ended up having. Empty space. We end up going into that gap there as well. I think we might end up hitting it. So you said, how much do I need to start day trading? Honestly, I'm gonna. So yes, just make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. All right, so AVGO crossing 2 as well. Okay. Oh, that doesn't look too bad either. Yeah, both these trades look like they're trying to work out right now. But yeah, to answer your question, my bad, I'm pulling up all these contracts and stuff, so give me a second here. I think Tesla will hit it too. All right, we'll put that there. AVGO, let's see, 1 second here. AVGO. All right, but yeah, to answer your question, my bad, my mind is going back and forth right now. All right, so AVGO, let's take a look here. All right, 1 second and I'll answer it. All right, yeah, so Tesla ended up hitting that first TP there. So yeah, I do gotta let the other members know if they are into that play. So give me 1 second here. All right, so. All right, cool. 1 second. All right, so cool. So yeah, if it does want to, get that continuation, we can see that 462. That looks really decent. So AVGO, I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna take a look at IWM as well, see where we're at. So not close yet. Yo, listen, what's up? LOY, yeah, no worries. I got you. Hope you're having a good day today. All right. Cool. Sorry, let's see. So LOY, and yeah, this one was, of course, let's see. So as of right now, I will say I don't really see it, heading any. Obviously, I definitely see a little bit of more empty space, but for me, yeah, we hit that first and that final TP. I'm I'm done. I could care less about it as of right now. What I could see next is we got another level here. So we got another gap here. So empty space, that's what I'm seeing next. So yeah, it looks really beautiful, looks really good. We had a nice little Potter box. Obviously, I told the team, lottos, some smalls on this one, since we broke over this cost basis area, which should promise us a new high, and we did just that. So you can see the plays that we ended up having yesterday. So this was literally just for the you can see this was a swing trade. You can see the before there, and also you can see that after there. So beautiful move. Went up from that 169 or a little bit lower up to that 8 or 769 up to that 802. But yeah, I would have to get above this 825 to see that empty space above us. So that's just what I'm seeing, which honestly doesn't look too bad. 1 second here. And yeah, you can see where we called these trades out. Obviously, you know, see what we did on SPY, but so we had calls, but I think he took the downside move. But yeah, empty space. We have a move, and yes, I got to post what we did just today. But yeah, you can see what we did yesterday, the day before. Boom, what ended up happening there. Took all morning, but we did it. You can see on that Tesla play there. So yeah, each trade is exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. So clear gap down, no consolidation. We got a nice Potter box. We break above, we get into the empty space. So basically we're targeting this gap here. So yeah, each trade the same. Doesn't matter if one trade hits, one trade doesn't hit. Obviously we had some trades that ended up hitting today, so pretty happy about that. So SPY did exactly what we needed to do. Honestly, for the Qs, let's take a look. Would I touch the Qs? All right, let's hold on. Let me answer that on a higher time frame. Okay, maybe. So AVGO crossing again. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so hold on, give me a second here. So with the Qs, what I can see. Oh, actually, I do see something here. So it doesn't look that bad, actually. So what I can see here is this. So right now, we do have this, what, clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to see to the upside. We got a nice break. So nice top wall, nice bottom wall. So I do see empty space here, what I circled. I get it, it's not that clear. Maybe I should zoom in. But up to that green candle, we break above this. So yeah, we got to get above that 601.27 in order for me to even consider it. I get it. We went up, you know, pretty crazy already, and since we did really well, I don't really want to get into anything heavy until maybe end of the day. But other than that, yeah, if we can move up that 601, it looks really good. Oh, IWM coming close too. So AVGO, IWM. Both these trades look pretty good. IWM, I'll take it if we get it though. All right. So 10-minute, my bad guys, just locking in, just looking at a couple of these trades here. We shall see how everything plays out. Wow, LOI, it's going crazy. Yeah, it had a crazy run today. Beautiful entry. All right, so 1 second here, 1 second. One of the members said, plus 140, sold, had to go to class. Thank you guys. Yeah, pretty fire. You could also see, I didn't post the chart, so I'll post the charts of what we did today. But yeah, we had some SPY. We had some nice little swings. LOI, SMCI there. SMCI, I'm still waiting to see if we can hit those TPs. Looks really good though. So I can't complain. What do I think about Marvel? I wish Marvel would do the move already. So IWM, nothing there. So Marvel, yeah, we'll take a look here. And honestly, let's see here. So we're on this weekly chart. So yeah, we're pretty much still in that same spot. I do like this weekly chart. I do want to see if we get some sort of, you know, push up into this empty space here. But yeah, if we don't, then yeah, I can see us maybe dropping under this 78.57 area. So that's just what I'm seeing there. Which yeah, doesn't look too bad. So that is on, yeah, Marvel. All right, so AVGO, Tesla, CI, okay, QQQ. So yeah, everything looks like it's pulling back as of this second, except for AVGO. So yeah, we shall see how everything plays out. All right, yes, guys and gals, I'll be right back. Gonna get me some water, things of that sort. I also do gotta get my charger. So yes, 1 second, I will be right back. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. Got the free chat, the VIP chat. You can see what we did today. Obviously, a lot wasn't posted. But yeah, link is in the bio for the Discord. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. So yes, 1 second here, I'll be right back. Yo, I'm back, everyone. All right, so yeah, let's get straight to it. We're here. How long have I been trading? So I've been trading for over 5 years. And yeah, every day I've been doing this, the same exact thing. Obviously, you know, I'm here if my, you know, trades win, my trades lose. Obviously took some dubs today. So yeah, today was a very good day. Also, a few of the members did too as well. See what they did today. Obviously, a lot's in the VIP chat, but I don't want to go scrolling. But yeah, you can see what we do here. I just focus on that one setup and one setup only, and we get in, and that's it. Got some nice cold water today. But yeah, empty space. We break under. We go into exactly what we want, and yeah. I could scroll through a random chart here and show you something very random. QQQ, same thing, a nice little gap here. You get a nice break, we go into the empty space there. Same thing, Tesla, doesn't matter. And it looks very similar to this exact play. And this was what? This is September 22nd. Same strat for all 5. No, I will be honest, I was not using the POTTERBOX when I first started trading. I was using a couple other strategies. I was pretty much strolling around seeing what worked for me, pretty much, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going here, and yeah, each trade is the same. So now, like, even in my Discord, I don't like to make anything, you know, very complicated. I like easy quality setup. So like, same thing here, Apple. Clear gap down, no consolidation. So you see all these red candles. This is what I would like to the upside. That's what I'm targeting. After we can break a box, once we break a box, the POTTERBOX, we're ending up trying to reach those targets there. So, and I'm on a, you know, the bigger picture. So that bigger time frame move, boom. each trade, you know, is going to be exactly the same. So we don't change literally anything at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. AVGO, 50 minutes left for that candle. I'll probably wait for that candle close. I'll take it though. I will take this position if we can get it. Looks really good. All right, so we'll have to see how everything plays out. All right, QQQ. Yo, LV, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. One second, 1 second. All right, so yeah, let's go over a couple other ones as well. But yes, I will be cutting this live stream just a bit short, just because I do want to wait for these other setups here. Looks like we may end up getting a couple of these trades, and yeah, I do want to get ready for these inner-based swings as well. But as I can see, there are a few good trades here that I'm looking at. Do want to see that nice break on the Qs. Obviously, Marvel still needs a little bit of work. LOY, we hit that first and final. Tesla, we hit that first TP, but I wasn't in this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys and gals. I will be getting off now. I will be here last hour. So yes, the last 2 hours, I'll be doing that live stream. We'll be doing that full hour. So yes, make sure to tune back in. And yes, I will be inside of the Discord doing the work. So yes, if you do want to join up the chat, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. If you don't want to join the Discord, you don't have to. But yes, I will be here last 2 hours for the inner-based swings. Thank you all so much for tuning back in. See you inside the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen.